In this video, I'm going to show you how to access Microsoft Copilot Labs. So once you're inside Microsoft Copilot and you're using the latest version of Copilot, you can find Labs on the upper left-hand side. And all you have to do is click it. In case your sidebar is closed, you want to expand it. And so you'll be able to find the Labs there. Once you click on that, you have a bunch of cool stuff that you can basically access. It says Discover Experimental AI initiatives. And so you can easily go ahead and test, for example, Copilot audio expression. You have portrait, you have Copilot 3D, you have mic up right here, you have actions, and you have a few more as well. So it basically allows, it says, play, discuss, and build together. Join us on our favorite community to discover the future of AI. And so this is amazing. This is an amazing place where you can come if you're a frequent user of Copilot to see basically what's new, what you can play around with. And everything is actually working. So, for example, if you want to access the audio expression, you can click on that to open up a new window, something like Copilot as well, but it's dedicated for audio expressions. And we can play around with it, guys.